day one of the competition, the 12 finalists visit E.J. Barker & Sons Farm, a family-owned partnership based in Suffolk.
We are a fairly normal farm for this area. We grow cereals because we're on clay soil, so wheat and barley are crops that we grow on our farm, and they are straight into the Nestlé supply chain, into products like Cheerios, shredded wheat, shreddies. What we're trying to do is create the highest quality cereal crops that we can, but across a backdrop of farming with wildlife and doing good for the natural environment at the same time. Regenerative farming is really important for all of us as we move forwards. So to have all these guys, as they embark on their careers, learning this is how food should be produced is really, really important. For us as farmers, we can produce those products, but hopefully these guys, as they go into their careers as chefs, front of house, in hotels, whatever it is that they go to do, they know that they can source food from places that do environmental good as well.
On an extensive farm tour, the competitors soon learned that flora and fauna to any farm is vital to its success.
The most important asset on our farm is the soil that we're standing on. If we abuse it, it won't look after our family business. There's probably more organisms in this lump of soil in my hands than there are humans on Earth.
This is a habitat in its own right. If you've got your hedgerow thicker at the base, a huge number of these farmland birds don't nest up there in the tops. They nest in this layer here.
Rotting pants also plays an important role in the learning experience. The competitors next head to Wyken, a multi-award-winning sustainable English vineyard. Front of house have an opportunity to learn about the specialist wines that make Wyken such a huge success.
It's important for us that the front of house can communicate where the wine comes from, what's particular about the wine in this Suffolk landscape, the terroir, what flavours it has and how that pairs with the food.
And with the help of Pizza Pilgrims, back of house get to understand the important role local ingredients play in creating the very best pizza.
It's a nice challenge. I'm really happy to be here to explain to the guy our tradition, how to make pizza, because for our it's not just a job, it's our tradition.
I'm sure the guys are really good with matching the ingredients, and they're gonna do a great job.
Today's hands-on challenge is about flavour profiles and providing attentive yet casual dining service. Can the back of house competitors stretch and top the perfect Neapolitan pizza? And will front of house be able to recommend the perfect wine pairing to go with their team members' pizza creation? All of this while watched closely by the judges and specially invited guests.
I guess it's probably serving all these new people in a completely new environment that obviously none of us are used to. So I think I'll get through it though.
Pepper, cherry tomatoes, wild garlic and then burrata on top. It's a very hot day. Just want something nice and fresh.
Looking after us very, very well.
The pizzas that came up with the competitors today were amazing. They were really good quality. They really understood what ingredients go well together, the balance of ingredients. They understood that, sometimes less is more, and they had some really great creative ideas.
I feel like it went really well. It was good feedback from the guests, so I'm happy with that. My customers were the owners of the vineyard, so a little bit nerve-wracking, but they were really sweet. They were really happy with their food, so I don't think it could have gone any better.
I just think the enthusiasm's been spot on.
Day one has dropped the competitors in at the deep end, but it is only the most capable individuals who can think quickly and creatively on their feet that will be awarded the highest scores. But everyone's skill and enthusiasm does not go unnoticed.
We've seen some incredible talent and some amazing energy and enthusiasm, and I would absolutely love to see all of them in Pizza Pilgrims in the future.